Have you ever wondered why Pan-Africanism still matters today? In this tutorial, we'll explore the historical significance of Pan-Africanism and its relevance for our future. Our end goal is to inspire you to embrace and promote the vision of unity rooted in our rich history. First, let's understand that Pan-Africanism is more than a theory. It embodies the spirit of people connected by shared struggles and dreams. Next, remember the contributions of leaders like Marcus Garvey and Kwame Nkrumah. Garvey taught us about pride in our heritage. He encouraged a return to Africa, reminding us we are not lost. Nkrumah linked Ghana's independence to the liberation of the entire continent. This brings us to the importance of cultural and spiritual liberation. Artists like Fela Kuti and Bob Marley affirmed our right to reclaim our identity. As we move forward, let's recognize that our strength lies in unity. Our enemies thrive on division, but together we can counter this threat. Remember to acknowledge the individuals promoting our cultures. From community leaders to digital activists, they play vital roles in this journey. Now, let's reflect on the modern expressions of Pan-Africanism. The resurgence of African languages and philosophies show our resilience. Consider the impact of our actions today. Are we building systems that empower our communities? It's essential to create our solutions. Lastly, the dream of Garvey and Nkrumah lives in us. It's not enough to understand their messages. We must embody their visions and stand united against the remnants of colonialism. In summary, Pan-Africanism remains a powerful force. It urges us to rebuild connections and redefine our future. I encourage you to take action. Engage with your community and support your culture. The time for unity is now. Are you ready to answer the call?